Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into Facebook using your Instagram. Due to the recent updates on Instagram and Facebook, it has been a lot easier to sync the two apps. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Right after opening your Instagram app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you'll have to tap on the profile icon that is located on the bottom right hand side corner. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you'll be on the next page. From here you can see a hamburger option on the top right hand side corner. After tapping on the hamburger option, you can see various options. You'll have to simply tap on settings that is located on the very beginning. Once you tap on settings on the very beginning, you can see account center. Here you'll have to tap on the account center. Once you tap on Account Center on the very first option, Profiles, once you tap on it, you can see all the profiles that are synced to each other. Here you can see all the Instagram and even Facebook profile. From here, you'll have to go back and then you'll have to tap on the Connected Experience located on the below. Once you tap on the Connected Experience on the second option, that is logging in with accounts, tap on it. Once you tap on login in with accounts, here you can see two options that are allow all accounts to log into each other, and the second one is choose which accounts can log into other account. From here you'll have to tap on the first option and turn it on. Once you allow this feature to be accessible on your device, you'll no longer have to worry about forgetting password of your Facebook app because you can directly log into your Facebook account using your Instagram account. And just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log into Facebook using Instagram. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If you found our video helpful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.